You've arrived at your vacation destination without incident. Now, how will you best prevent illness without sacrificing some fun? Be sure to prioritize good hygiene and sun protection. Wear SPF rated clothing or sunscreen to help prevent illness and sunburn, because sunburn weakens the immune system. Wash your hands frequently and be informed about water quality before drinking any. While enjoying local cuisine, limit processed, fried, and sugary foods. Stay hydrated, set alcohol limits, and use electrolytes to help you stay hydrated. Stay moderately active, but avoid overexertion, which can tank your immunity. Remember those nutritional supplements you packed? Take them. Vitamin C and D for sure, plus zinc. Why zinc? Zinc deficiency has long been associated with increased risk of infection by viral, fungal, and bacterial infections. PureLab Zinc Glycinate provides a highly bioavailable zinc featuring 23 milligrams of zinc per capsule. Finally, take it easy. After all, you're on holidays. Enjoy them.